Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find Chrome extensions for Gmail. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is your browser's main menu. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will open a submenu showing you extension-related options. Extensions are small software programs that customize your browsing experience, and Chrome has thousands of them available for different purposes. In the submenu that appears, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will open a new tab and take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, which is Google's official marketplace for browser extensions. This is where you can safely browse and install extensions to enhance your Chrome experience. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, look at the top of the page where you'll find a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Gmail, then press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will bring up all the extensions and items in the store that are related to Gmail, helping you enhance your email experience with additional features and functionality. After the search results load, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a filtering section labeled Type. Under this section, click on Extensions to filter your results. This is important because it narrows down your search to show only extensions, removing any themes or other items from the results. At this point, you can now see all the available Chrome extensions specifically designed for Gmail. These extensions can add various features like email tracking, scheduling, templates, productivity tools, and much more to make your Gmail experience more efficient and powerful. Browse through the list and find the extension that best suits your needs. Once you've found one you'd like to try, simply click on it to open its dedicated page. This page will give you more details about what the extension does, user reviews, and screenshots showing how it works. On the extensions page, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome in the upper right area. Click this button to begin the installation process. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed, and Chrome will automatically download and install the extension for you within seconds. And that's it! You've successfully found and installed a Chrome extension for Gmail. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.